today, Gabby Garcia Day. How does that feel?
Oh, wow. I feel like my 15-year-old self from 11 years ago is screaming and telling herself na, yes, I made it.
Ito talaga yung gusto mo?
Mag-artista. You know
Mag-artista.
what, during my early years, Tito Boy, hindi ko alam na mag-artista ako.
Uh-huh.
Ang gusto ko talaga is maging piloto and maging beauty queen. Yan ang gusto ko.
Okay.
But then, nakita din ng parents ko na parang bibukid ako. Lagi ako sumasali sa contest. Tapos, audition ako ng audition. Gusto kong nagpo-perform sa harapan ng crowd. And then eventually, naging artista nga ako.
Strong indicators na doon ka papunta. What
Yes.
are you looking forward to?
I am looking forward to growing, to hosting more shows. I really love hosting now. And to just really continue reinventing myself in this industry. Kasi hirap eh. Kasi you just can't stay the same the whole time. You have to constantly reinvent yourself para maiba naman.
And you're excellent in both. And that's a blessing. To be able to do acting and to be able to do hosting.
Yes, Tito
That's a
Boy.
blessing.
I am
Pero
blessed.
magbabalik tanaw tayo dahil Gabby Garcia Day, balikan natin ang kwento. Bahagya, parte ng mga kwento ni Gabby. And we're going to use photos in our
Oh
storytelling.
my, oh my gosh!
Let's go to...
Ay! Napaka-nene! Oh
Ano
my
ito? What is the
goodness.
story?
This is called My Destiny. I am on a wheelchair. It's my first ever teleserye. Alam mo ba kung anong kwento niyan, Tito Boy?
Okay.
Hindi ako dapat nakast talaga sa show na yan. I was just there for a couple of weeks as the sister of Sid Lucero, of Kuya Timmy. And then, nagkaroon ng chemistry yung dati naming love team ni Ruru, yung Gabru. Nagkaroon ng following. So, na-retain ako sa show. Naging regular ako dun sa show. But I wasn't supposed to be regular kasi I was barely like 2 months in GMA that time. Kaya tuloy nung na-regular ako sa show na yan, hindi pa ako marunong umarte, hindi pa ako fully like nahasa as an artista. Parang nasalang ako by accident.
Pero kaya ka po na si Ruru, oh.
Oh, di ba? 15 years old lang ako niyan, Tito Boy.
And that's an intense scene.
Yes, yes. So parang ang daming naging biglaan ang nangyari in the early days of my career. That's why people were asking, sino yan? Bigla na lang siyang nag-appear. Saan siya galing? Pero yun nga talaga yung kwento. Hindi kasi ako dapat talaga regular sa show na yan.
Sa pagkakaalam mo, at this point, malihis lang ako ng konti. Nililigawan ka na ni Ruru noon? Hindi pa?
Hindi.
15?
No,
Wala
no,
pang
no.
nagpaparamdam?
Wala pa, wala
Hindi mo siya
pa.
crush? Hindi ka niya crush?
Hindi, wala pa.
Parang
wala
bumaba ang boses mo.
Why are we talking about this stuff?
No, it's just interesting because the chemistry is palpable. Nararamdaman mo, di ba, mga bata?
Cutie-cutie teenage
Right.
chemistry.
Sige, so that's the story. Let's go to the next video or photo. Wow!
Ayan na siya.
What is the story?
This is my favorite role, Elena, in Encantadia. I auditioned for the role, I was 16. I got the role, I was 17. I turned 18 on the show. So, medyo matagal yung duration and I was super nene when I did it. I was just 17 years old when I did the show and people are surprised kasi nga it was such a challenging role at 17. Pero I really grew throughout the show. I learned so much and it opened so many doors for me, this character.
And it was a huge hit.
It was.
Di ba?
Until now, actually, grabe pa rin ang fans ng Encantadia, Tito Boy. And until now, whenever I go out, they still call me Alena! Ganyan. So talagang...
Pag-uusapan natin yan.
Oo, memorable talaga
Si
siya.
Alena.